So there we have the website's looking pretty cool, not bad. But as we said, what we'd like is we'd like to be able to click on one of these images. Doesn't really matter which one. Ultimately, be able to click on all of them. And when I click on it, we would like it to bring up maybe a bigger version of that image and then the recipe, because that's what this best cake site is about. So heading back, here we've got our main page. So a website is typically multiple connected web pages. So that's what we're going to need to do. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create another page. So just to make this a little simple, we're going to Command A and Command C just to copy all of this, because some of the things we want to actually keep, for example, the title, our logo, we'll dump a whole lot, but let's do that. So
okay, so we've got that now. If we hit Command New,
for a new tab is going to appear, we're going to have to
save it
this.
first. Yeah, Command Save. Yeah.
And
this is our web HTML.
So this is our first one.
Let's call it.
Let's make the first one that we can go. Let's create this carrot cake.
Yeah. So yeah, this will be our link to our carrot cake.
Okay. So this is a carrot. Again, as you create more and more pages, you need to remember, call them things that you're going to remember. Otherwise, it's going to become very confusing.
Yeah. So we've got a carrot cake. We can.
Well, we don't need to. We can actually paste in everything because we've got it all. So let's just paste it all in. And now we're not going to have that whole table thing at the moment. We will use a table.
Yeah, we will use some of it. So let's just.
Well, maybe take out the inside just to keep up to the rows.
So we're starting from that cake. So we'll go like that, and we're just going to keep this. So let's just say that, and let's open it. So we go right back to Finder. A carrot cake, there it is.
Carrot cake.
This.
Okay, so now we've got two pages open. Right, so there we have it, but I think you can keep the same background. Sometimes it's good, but we're going to make that a bit more. Let's just show you something different.
Yeah, I think it's good to change the background if you're switching, but like sometimes if it's very simple, you might want to keep it the same, depends. We do have quite a nice one here. This background.
Yeah, that looks like a recipe background.
Yeah, okay, so we use that. So we
let's right click, Command A, Command C.
Yep. And we change the background right there.
There is the file name, and drop it in. Okay.
Save it. Refresh.
Yeah, okay. Looking a bit. I quite actually like how our little logo appears on that page there. Okay, so that's looking pretty cool. We've got a nice little logo up on the top left there. I think this here is going to need to be repositioned slightly to appear nicer on the right there. And I think the idea is, so there's the picture and the recipe down the right here.
Yeah, so I think for now that's looking good. We're going to look at how to add just a little bit more just to make it look better, how to link up our images so we don't have to type in a whole new image just to find this page, like we want to know how to find it. But for now, I think we're looking okay.
Yeah, okay, so we just keep that like that. So go out there, create your second page. Like we've just done, it was pretty simple. Create another page, paste in that, and just put in the basics, get it ready. And we'll take it from here. We'll start to improve the formatting, and we will then show you next how to actually, when you click that, to make sure it pops out over here. So one step closer to your website looking fantastic. Over to you.